Go around the red lock tab and around the return line of the fuel injector. You just disconnect it, clean it up a bit, put some dielectric grease around the seal, clip her back together, and then the zip tie keeps it tight enough it doesn't wiggle back and forth. Kind of hard to get down in there and get a video of it, but she don't move no more. And I got every one of them like that. That's one I've had to replace. When I first did the EGR delete, that little bastard had a little rubber silicone hose cap. Didn't hold up for 10 miles. Lost all the coolant. And it soaked that injector connector, so I had to change it.